AUDJPY and EURUSD, and also XAUUSD, but I wasn't paying attention to XAUUSD sell, so I mean buy. So I missed the trade, but a friend caught it. For AUDJPY on the daily time frame, the trend or the last break of structure is to the upside. The last two break of structure, we can see there's a break of structure here to the upside, and then there's also a break of structure here to the upside. But this wasn't here before, so last break of structure was to the upside. We are on a bullish trend based on structure, and then you can see that daily low was swept here, and then this was the daily high that is going to be our target. So now after daily low has been swept, we want to go to one time frame low and look towards a breakout. So this was the sweep, and this was our breakout right here. So these are H4 break. So after the H4 break, basically mark out your key levels and wait for confirmation when price taps those key levels. So this was one of the key levels. There was also this left shoulder here, then there's also apex, which is mitigated, but this is the one that price tapped, and I waited for confirmation, and confirmation came on M15 time frame. So you can see where price tapped the key level and then gave a breakout right here. So once price gave that breakout, that was my cue to buy. So I took a buy here. Stop loss was just somewhere here, and then target was this daily high for a 5 RR setup, right? Yeah, I think it was 5 RR. So this is the trade breakdown of AUDJPY. Then for Euro USD, the re-entry did not tap, but the original entry was actually a snipe. Let's go to the daily and look at the breakdown. So on daily time frame, last week of structure was to the upside, so we're bullish based on structure. Now after that break of structure, you can see a rejection of this key level here. So daily rejected daily key level. I want to go to H4 and wait for what's a breakout, and this was our breakout here. This was where the rejection happened, and then this is H4 breakout. So now we wait for entry, and then the entry I picked was directly from daily, like it was a daily key level, this key level here. If you go to H4, you'd see that is somewhat like a left showdown. It's somewhat like, okay, it's not even like it's an open close key level on H4, right? And then on H1, that's where it was very clear. It was very clear on H1. So on H1, it was this left shoulder that sponsored some level of buys and then got disrespected. And the other thing that gave me extra confidence to take the trade was this liquidity here. So there was liquidity here, so that was where I took the entry from this, and then stop loss was below these weeks. Stop loss will cover these weeks here. And then where did I even put as target? Okay, I just set 10 RR as target. I used 10 RR as target. So yeah, this is the trade breakdown of EU. Then I wanted to take a re-entry from here, and I wanted to take a re-entry from this key level here, and then had this pullback here as liquidity, but price did not tap it, so that was a missed entry. And then for XAUUSD, the buy today was actually clean too. I don't know why I did not spot that one. I mean, I saw it, but like I was waiting. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So XAUUSD, we had this low swept here, right? Daily swept, daily low. Mind you, XAUUSD based on structure is still bearish, but maybe this pullback is to take out all this liquidity here. You can see all this sell side abuse. This all of these are liquidity, sha. So that is the reason for this buy. So based on structure, XAU is still bearish, you get. So daily swept, daily low, and then target would be this daily high here, which can be extended to this one. So we'll just leave that one. And then after the sweep, we want to go to H1, wait for what a break of structure. You can see it's the same thought process. So this is the break of structure right here. So now the place I made a mistake now was that I marked out this break of structure. I I marked out this break of structure. Tap now be this guy. Tap Chineke. I marked out this break of structure here and I was just waiting there. I did not even bother to check chat. But see what price? The price came and reacted from this level here. Price taps that level. And what did I say? I'm a confirmation entry trader, sha. So once price has tapped this place now, it actually gave a confirmation because you can see H4 swept, H4 low, H4 created key level for entry. So that was where I would have entered the trade. Right here, this is where I would have entered the trade on M13 and be for directly from H4 self. So this is where I would have probably taken the trade from. And here will stop loss below or stop loss on this place. And then targets would be this daily high for a 13-hour. I could not catch this trade, but a friend took it and he made a whole lot of money on it. So yeah, that's all for today. There's also a setup that played out on CADCHF today. There were lots of good setups today actually. So this particular one, you can see based on structure, the last break of structure was to the downside. So we are on a bearish trend. And then we had this high was swept. We have daily sweeping this daily high, right? And so target will probably be around here, but it can be extended to here obviously. So after that sweep, we'll go to H4 and wait towards a break of structure. So on H4, this was the sweep, and then this was what our break of structure right here. This was our break of structure. So just mark out key levels and wait for confirmation entry. Now this breakout would have is one of the key levels. Then we have this left shoulder here key level, and this left shoulder was where it starts from. So you see price taps the key level and give confirmation, and this is the confirmation. H4 sweep, H4 high, and this confirmation here. So take our shot from here, shots from here, and SL above here, and target is here. So you can see for a 10-hour setup. And then there's one last one. The last one was AUD card. This one I had a setup, but I did not. It was miss entry for me, sha. It was miss entry for me. But yeah, look at the trade breakdown on daily time frame. On daily time frame, the last break of structure was where to the upside, right here. So we are obviously bullish. And then we had what daily rejecting daily key level here. After the rejection, we had a break of structure to the upside. This is where the break of structure was. Is our break of structure. So I was looking at this place for entry. This is what I was looking at for entry. But that was price did not react from there. Instead, price used this open close key level here, tapped on it, and then gave a confirmation. This is the confirmation here. And this is the trade. SL just here, and then target is from daily. So target would have been this high here, which is liquidity, and this is the setup. It did not tap on trading view, but on MT5 it tapped, sha. It tapped on MT5 for my guys. So yeah, that is those are the trades that played out on my end for today, sha. Lots of setup today, but I was only able to execute EURUSD and AUDJPY. So yeah, see you all next week. Use this weekend to study the charts and get better.